Hey humans, welcome back to otro videito más. Today, we're gonna talk about why I'm also selling my 35mm f 1.4. Let's get to it. If you saw my last video, I was talking about how I was selling my 50-1.2 from Sony GM. Now we're gonna be talking about why I'm selling my 35mm f 1.4. I guess maybe I'm thinking, in the mode of downsizing. I definitely have lots of lenses. I have one in particular that I love, being the 28-70 f2, all around amazing lens. And I have another lens which I adore, and it's not a Sony glass, it's Sigma, but it's just so fun and it looks just so sick. You want to see it here? This bad boy, the 105 f 1.4 from Sigma. I mean, this thing is beast. Look at that glass. That is just insane. Just bulbous but not sticking out. Insane piece of glass. So yeah, love this lens. Huge, heavy, but I love this lens. It's just fun, those are like my main two lenses that I'm just infatuated about. 28-70 f2, 105 f 1.4 from Sigma, and I also have the 28-70 because sports. And right now I'm shooting with the 20 1.8, which is what I use for this. I don't use it for anything else, just this. So yeah, this one in particular has not come out of my bag also in quite a while. It has stayed in the shelf for a minute. I haven't used it. I know it's great. Minimum focusing distance is amazing. Like this 35 1.4 is like the best overall 35 1.4, especially for Sony. Like it's just the best. I mean, it is a GM lens. It's the best. But since I've gotten the 28-70, I haven't used it as much because from 1.4 to f2, I mean, it's pretty close. It is a little bit more light, shallower depth of field, but I mean, overall, it's pretty darn close. And I don't feel like switching lenses just for that little bit of extra f-stop that it gives me. Like, it's just, I don't know, it's not worth it. Yeah, obviously, it's like lighter than this one, but I don't mind carrying it. The weight is is a non-issue for me. Like, yeah, it's whatever. Like, yeah, it's heavy, but I'm getting the shots. Who cares? The main reason I'm getting rid of this lens is because I'm not using it. I have the 28-70 freaking f2, works great, and like 35 is right in there. And this is also version 1, so I'm not too upset about it because I'm assuming that real soon a version 2 is gonna come out. And if that ever comes out, maybe I'll buy it, maybe I won't, because, well, I got the 28-70. If I'm saying anything, is that the 35, it is a very fun lens to use because it's wide but not too wide. It's telephoto but not super telephoto, more on the wide end, not like the 50, but like it gives you more of a range. So I feel like this is just a fun lens to have, and I bought it used for like what, $600, a steal if you ask me. I think I'm about to like make money off of this lens. It was such a good buy. I was like, yeah, sure, why not? And I did use it quite a bit, but just I don't use it anymore. I guess if you watch my 50mm while I was selling my 50mm f1.2 video, and you're here now and you're still here watching this one, I guess what I'm saying is that this 28-70 basically takes everything that you could ever need. Yeah, this piece is expensive, but I mean, hella worth it. If you were to buy primes to make up for that one lens, I mean, you'd obviously like shoot past it. I'm selling these because I'm not using them, because they're just sitting there doing nothing, and you might as well sell them. Maybe I'll try to get a Hasselblad 100 megapixels, like, why not? But no, for now I'm just trying to downsize. I have these two. I don't need these two cameras, but they're fun. They're really fun. So yeah, I'm keeping what I need plus a couple fun other things. But since this goes on my workhorse of a camera, like and it's not, I mean, it's not really that unique. 35mm, I mean, come on, that's definitely not unique. I mean, 1.4, sure, but there's so many other ones out there that, yeah, okay, it's whatever. Like, a lot of people can get the same shot, I guess, but like with the 105, like, that's unique, that's fun. Yeah, it's heavy as hell, but it's fun, and that's kind of why I do this, because it's fun. Expensive, but fun. But yeah, that's it. I mean, I don't think I ever made a review of these two lenses. The 50mm, I don't think I made a review, and I don't think I made a review of this one. Gerald Undone has made those reviews, so go watch him because he's thorough as hell. And like, if you need to know anything, he'll let you know. I'm just letting you know that I don't use this lens anymore because I have the 28 to 70 f2. So yeah, I guess if you're watching this, that's the take. Just get a 28 to 70 f2, and that's it. You can just rock that forever, and you'll be good no matter what. If you have this lens and you're thinking of selling it as well, or if you don't have it and you're thinking of buying it, why are you thinking of buying it? Huh? Let me know. Let me know down below. I want to know. Obviously, it's less expensive than, you know, the counterpart of the 28 to 70, but it's, yeah, you get one focal length. I know some people are prime people. I, I've gotten to the point where I think I'm more of just a zoom person. You know, versatility. Like, prime is fun, which is why I have these cameras, because they're fun. But when it comes to work, I want to get the shot no matter what. This lens is just robust, precise.
Robust, precise.
This lens is just, you know, one focal length. So limiting, maybe. Makes me more creative, maybe. I don't know. But definitely, it was fun having you. It was a blast. It was fun. But it's time to let go. You can't hold on forever. All right? That's another lesson you learned right here. Don't hold on. Gear changes. Gear evolves. I mean, look, I sold my 51-2, and that lens was like the non-negotiable lens that I need. And then the 28 to 70 came out, and I was like, now that's a non-negotiable. Learn to let go. It's gonna be fine. Yeah, maybe when version 2 comes out, I'll get it. All right, that's it for this video. Let me know down below your thoughts, if you're getting it, if you have one, if you're selling it. What do you think? Do you think it's dumb to get rid of it? I don't know, since it only cost me 600 bucks. I mean, I say only, but you know, relatively speaking, that's pretty cheap for a G Master lens. But yeah, let me know your thoughts down below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and yeah, talk to you soon.